Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to mute your dial pad, which can get annoying at times. We will mute this sound, but there are two ways to do so let's get started. Firstly, you can head to your settings menu from your home screen, and then you can click on the sound and haptics button. There you can see a slider and keep it to low to turn off your dial bad sound, but note that this will also turn off your ringtone sound, so you will not hear any ringtones when a call is incoming. You can see that there is no sound in your dial pad now. And the next method is by silencing your phone. You can do that by clicking on the button on your phone, and you can silence your phone that way as well. In this mode as well, you won't hear your ringtone of your phone. See, now the silent mode is turned on. And these are the two simple ways to not make noise while typing on the dial pad, and see you in the next video.